Hey guys, just a quick clip to show you how to burp your cooling system in an emergency situation. We're on the road right now. This is my 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I just had to replace the thermostat as the other one cracked right here. And we are now burping the cooling system. You got to get 2 gallons of coolant into the car. As you see, it's sucking up because now all the coolant is getting sucked into the engine because the radiator can only hold so much. So you don't want any air bubbles coming out. You're gonna start squeezing these hoses. Oh, perfect. The fan kicked in. That means the thermostat opened up. The new one thermostat we just replaced. And I have a video on how to do that as well. But fan kicked in. That means it's sucking all the liquid in. So we're gonna keep pouring in. So, and this is my improvised funnel, Poland Spring water bottle, and some athletic tape that I had in the car. It's 4th of July. AutoZone was open though, so we're able to get a socket set. And the thermostat housing with the new thermostat. And now, alright, so I'm almost done pouring the 2nd gallon in here now. I'm sucking it up very nice. Give it a little rev. I said little. Alright. That's all our coolant. We need a little more. But basically you want to get all the air bubbles out by squeezing the upper hose to get all the fluid in there and any air pockets out. Squeeze it, careful because it could be a little hot. And same with the bottom one. Just be careful for the moving parts. You want to squeeze all that. So all the bubbles are gone. At least for the most part, and then you'll be good. And when you decide to go get some water, because we ran out of the coolant. Like I said, you need a little more than 2 gallons for this car. But basically, you will just want to keep getting these air bubbles out. And by you doing this by squeezing the upper radiator hose to get any air pockets out. That's what burping your cooling system means. I'm going to squeeze the bottom hose, get any air bubbles out. And we keep doing this so most of the air bubbles are out, and then you should be good. When you get home or wherever, get the actual kit, you know, and doing better. But hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos related to cooling systems and so on. Appreciate you. Please subscribe, follow. Any questions, let me know below. Another thing I mentioned, you don't have to keep filling this out because you know when it's full, when this thing fills up, so it actually overflows. So it's going to overflow. It has an overflow valve, so that's fine. But besides that, we're all good. We can close up shop, turn up the car, and be done with it.